I'm Callie.
And I'm Sydney, and today we're going to be doing a water balloon toss. Okay, I'm scared. We simply take this water balloon like this, and we throw it back and forth, and whoever gets popped first loses. Well, they lose a point.
Well, whatever. We're basically just going to be throwing water balloons at each other.
Yeah.
Well, not like a fight. We're just going to be like tossing them back and forth.
I don't think we'll remember the score, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, so we have 25 water balloons in there.
Yeah.
And yeah, so let's get started.
Okay.
I lost it. Oh. Okay. Oh no, I'm so scared. Okay. It's so scary.
We're not pansies. Don't touch your phone.
Oh, I'm so scared. You guys, I'm so scared.
Oh my god, this is horrible. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna swim suits because we don't want to get stuck. You ready?
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, we're
Looks
good.
like a pear. Don't drop. What the heck is wrong with you? Why do you let him fall?
That one fell again. We suck. Okay, we're gonna do a teeny one. Where's that? Okay, we're gonna use this puny one. That's never gonna pop. There you go. You dick.
You can't. You have to catch it.
Okay.
You're losing this
Go.
game.
Oh.
Sydney, catch them.
Okay, sorry. I'm so just.
Seriously.
All right, ready? Oh god. Oh no.
I'm so scared, you guys.
It's really cold. You said it's a really cold water, so like the water is really cold and like they pop easily if you don't catch it right. Oh my god.
These are strong water balloons. They're like
Are you
invincible.
Oh my god.
So cold. I'm grabbing this one.
Oh,
Let's do a pink one.
pink. Oh god, this is so freaky.
Stop it.
No!
You suck.
We can't see them dropping in the background, but yeah, that's what they look like. Okay, you ready?
Back up.
If it pops in my face, I swear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is so weird. Are you okay? Oh my god. This might end because we don't have enough space, but it's okay. You'll just see us fail. Oh my god. I think it's leaking.
It is?
Is it leaking?
No.
Don't squish it. Don't squish it. You can hear it. This is really funny. Oh my god. Alright guys. We got this. Dude, I'm gonna make all my friends. Oh my god!
God, Sydney.
I was gonna make all my friends watch this. Al and Lauren, I love you guys, just saying. Alphonse, I love you. And Lauren, I love you. My shout out. Oh god!
That one almost popped.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, this is fun. We went to Target and just got this for this reason. Don't.
Look at.
I think that was a little bit overloaded.
God, why aren't any of them popping on you?
Do you want them to?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Don't do it on purpose. My stomach, I have this area, like, unlike you.
I've had 3 pop on me.
Yeah, but they're not in your stomach area, and my stomach area is really sensitive. Don't. We're supposed to toss it, not throw.
Okay, ready?
Oh god, no.
I'm scared.
Catch it like a
Baby.
Oh my god. I'm so, are you okay?
You want a hug?
She's wet. Oh god, this is horrible.
I hate you.
This is like really scary. Oh my god.
You need to back up.
Oh god.
My God, I'm going to kill her.
No, she's not. No, literally, it's not gonna happen this way. My death is gonna say death from water balloons. That's gonna be sad. Oh god.
I'm so wet.
Okay. Okay.
I really wanted to pop on you.
Oh god, I don't know if I want to do it. Okay, you ready?
Do it. Just do it.
Okay, throw it at my stomach. Not really hard. It's gonna.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Go.
No, I totally missed. Let me do it again.
Oh my god. We're just doing. Okay, wait. Let me put my hair. Okay.
Ready? Turn.
No.
Let's go. It popped in my hand.
Yeah, but. Woo! I don't know what we're doing.
Woo! Woo!
I know.
Woo! I don't know what just happened.
I think
need
that
to
was
back
a
up.
cute guy or something. Oh god, that was funny. I think it's us in our swimsuits. Yeah, boys. You know, boys. Oh god.
It's not fair.
Oh god. I need a towel. Oh my god, that was so funny. I have
ready?
a towel.
Pop on you. It didn't even
Oh,
pop.
God.
Okay, let's throw this one. This one's tiny. It shouldn't break.
Oh my
Unless you
god.
drop it.
That was the weirdest moment of my life. Boys, oh! Oh, it was a baby one. It was a little baby.
The purple one popped.
Oh god, that was the only purple one.
It was the only purple one, and it popped before we even threw it.
My side boob is like wet now. Oh god. Okay.
My everywhere is wet now.
Oh god, my side boob is wet.
It's my everywhere.
You look dry almost. My butt
Yeah.
is wet because we were doing this and she kind of like popped one on me and then I popped one on me again. No! My little baby!
We only have two left.
We're gonna try this. We're gonna try
Oh,
it at the
no.
same time. Ready? One,
Go. Wait.
one,
no.
2, 3.
No.
No, the baby! Oh god.
Oh, you got it! Oh my god. Okay, guys. Well, that was all of our water balloons, and
Yeah. That
that was
really-
pretty fun. So,
thanks for getting me wet, Callie.
you're welcome. Thanks for getting me wet like 5 times, Sydney.
Okay, so that's about it for this video. We'll make other videos, of course, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye!